Infinity Gauntlet.
Hey, I'm Shannon, and this is
Max. And today we made the Infinity Gauntlet.
with everyday
Everyday material.
that we had in Mommy's craft store. So
We made it, and I know you can make a particular gauntlet like this, but this is how.
we know you can make this. So watch the video to see how you can make it with step-by-step instructions. Have fun!
Bye! What you need for this craft is everyday material, starting off gems.
Okay, what else?
Puffy Paint, Elmers Glue, a yellow, any type of glove that can work, scissors, markers, templates,
That you could just get off the internet.
and just got off the internet, and hot glue gun.
Hot glue gun sticks.
And hot glue gun sticks.
No, not L. And
Foam and craft foam.
last
And
but not least,
last but not least, a gold spray paint, metallic gold. These holes.
we are now tracing our template on our foam to create dimensions for our Infinity Gauntlet glove. After we trace them, we will cut them out. Now cut out your foam templates to create your dimensions. Smile. Right now we're just making a mock-up of what we're doing so that we have an idea if we want to cut out some more foam for dimension or if we're going to just use the puffy paint. I think it looks great. What do you think, Max?
Two.
Looks good? Okay, let's go.
It's like
To create your glove, you're going to need to get your foam, and you want it to be narrow at the top and a little bit longer at the back, and then you will connect it like so and hot glue it. So let's do that. All right, and as you can see, you want to make sure that you have the foam going to your elbow. And what we did is we hot glued the foam and attached one side of the glove. Then we turned around and we did more hot glue, attached the foam, and then we put glue all the way down. And you want this side to be bigger than up here. You want this to be narrow, this to be longer, to look awesome.
And don't worry, guys. You can move around. Yay! And this is inspired by Woodland Elf.
Yes, Woodland Elf, thank you for showing us how to create the perfect, easy Infinity Gauntlet. Okay, what are we doing now?
So what we're doing is we're putting on the dimension pieces onto it, so we so we can cut the foam and decorated all this stuff. Sorry, but let's get right into it.
I think it needs to go higher. The green should be right there.
Right there.
Yep.
Okay. And put on this.
We're practicing, see where everything fits good.
Yep.
All right, how's that look?
It looks good.
All right, let's get to gluing. All right, so what we're doing is connecting the different layers to create the dimensions.
But that wasn't hot.
That wasn't hot? Was it hot?
No.
Yes, it was.
No, it wasn't. It was just like. First, we have to shake it, but it's only parents' permission, and we're using metallic gold spray paint. So let's get to it. Okay, hold up.
All right, baby.
Now, since we spray painted the front, we're gonna flip it over and spray paint the back.
Okay.
So, what we're now doing is we're gluing the gems, and yes, I do not have an oval soul gem, and I do not have a purple color of these gems and orange. It's because it's the only thing we have right hand, and we don't want you to spend a lot of money. So, but let's get this started.
All right, Max is doing a practice puffy paint around the paper so he could practice.
Two.
All right, that sounds good. Let's go.
Two.
Do one. Nope, do that one last.
This one.
Mm-hmm. Go very slowly. Max.
What we're doing is
Is it recording?
we're doing a puffy paint thing, and we thought
To create dimension.
to create the dimension of rounding all the gems, and it will help the hot glue. It lets more dimension, and it helps the hot glue to more stick on. Now we're gonna design using the puffy paint with our paper tray thingy to help us do all the trades to honor us. This is actually looks really epic. Like a minute, I'm like, oh whoa, that's huge. That's epic. Yay! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and comment down below what is your favorite superhero, and hit that notification bell, Mom. And subscribe. And Mama, do you think that they can hit 50,000 likes?
No. I think we could get 50,000 likes.
I think Cameraman Joe thinks you can get 2,000.
Let's go! 50,000 likes! Mommy and Son Crab! See you later! Bye! Welcome, my name is Shannon, and I am the owner and creator of the Busy Butterfly. We specialize in custom gifts and promotional items. I just want to say thank you for stopping by my channel, and don't forget to subscribe.